Hello, I'm Jem. I'm from batch 1 in Uplift. Before joining the bootcamp, I'm working in Singapore as a financial consultant. And then I went home and then wala akong work for I think a month. From there, I decided to join the bootcamp. Me and my friend, we actually saw a ad for a different bootcamp here in the Philippines. And then we went to that orientation. There's an exam. Yung friend ko na yun is nakapasa siya. Tapos ako is nakapasa ako sa lahat except for logic. Yung friend ko, sabi ko sa kanya, go, mag-enroll ka na. Sabi niya, no, hanap tayo ng ibang bootcamp. And then nakita namin si Uplift. Nag-reach out din agad sa akin si Rufa. Tapos may mga assessment, may mga initial interview. I was really anxious that time kasi talagang sinabi ko with Miss Rufa na gustong-gusto ko matuto dahil nung high school pa lang ako is yung basic HTML and CSS. Nagustuhan ko siya. After going through the process, I was really happy na though my assessment, si Uplift is open for everyone. Hindi ko makakalimutan na learnings ko doon is yung thought na there is no such thing as a stupid question. Until today, actually, dala-dala ko siya sa work. Sa bootcamp, marami talagang challenges kasi that time, wala akong full-time work or part-time. So, I have to sustain kung ano yung naipon ko. So, I have 4 years of experience then in the industry. For the past 4 years, I had different roles. So, yung first is as a junior full stack developer, then mid-level, and then currently, same level pa rin naman but more on team lead or technical lead na yung role ko. Yung life ko ngayon, syempre si Uplift talaga yung parang naging foundation ko in the industry. Doon na-form yung habits ko, doon na-form lahat nung alam ko with the industry. At the same time, yung laging andyan yung community ni Uplift. Andyan lang lagi sa Discord. So, naka-help din sa akin actually yung mga workshop. Nadala ko din yung mga technique. Ginagamit ko siya until today. Mahalaga pala siya sa workplace na you're working collaboratively with your colleagues. Siguro, isa yung sa pinaka-important is don't give up lalo sa sarili mo. Be patient sa sarili mo lalo kapag nag-aaral ka with coding. Keep showing up. It's a form of self-care na you're doing this for yourself. In no time makikita mo, okay, graduating na pala ako with the bootcamp.